7 Steps to Protect Your WhatsApp from Hackers. Although WhatsApp is a secure way to message others, your WhatsApp account can be hacked without your knowledge. Mostly, hackers use social hacking methods to get hold of your WhatsApp accounts, which is by tricking you into giving them access. But there are certain measures you can take to avoid this. But before that, welcome to Explore channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification, okay? Let us find out how you can protect your WhatsApp account from hackers. How to protect WhatsApp from hacking. There is no one-step or single fail-proof method to protect your WhatsApp account. The best measure is to be conscious and careful about your privacy, and not end up giving up your chats with a stranger. Here are the most effective steps you could take to secure your WhatsApp from hacking by any means. 1. Enable two-step verification. You must have been hearing this term a lot these days. Two-step verification, it is also called two-factor authentication or 2FA, is the primary key to protecting any account online. If you already haven't, make sure to protect your Google account and Apple ID with two-step verification. Now, let's find out how to enable two-step verification on the WhatsApp account. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Select Account option. Tap on the Two-Step Verification option and select Enable from the next screen. Provide a passcode for the WhatsApp 2FA and make sure to remember it. Once you enable the two-step verification for your WhatsApp, it will ask for the secret passcode the next time you try to log into WhatsApp on a different device. You can log in only if you have memorized it and no one else can access your WhatsApp account without getting this passcodes. 2. Set up screen lock for WhatsApp. If you have the habit of leaving your phone unlocked on the work desk or somewhere, chances are others can easily check your WhatsApp without your knowledge. A screen lock for WhatsApp will prevent this by asking for the screen lock password or PIN. You can enable the screen lock and unlock WhatsApp using your Face ID/fingerprint. To enable the screen lock for WhatsApp using fingerprint on your phone, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Select Privacy Settings. Tap the screen lock at the bottom. Toggle on Require Fingerprint/Face ID from the next screen. Then, authenticate your Face ID or fingerprint to lock WhatsApp with your screen lock passcode. You can also choose from WhatsApp when to lock the app when you close or minimize the app. Choosing Immediately will ask for Face ID or Touch ID verification every time you open WhatsApp. This is by far a really good method to protect your WhatsApp chats from others. 3. Check for unauthorized WhatsApp web login. If somebody ever accesses your phone without your knowledge, they can easily hack your WhatsApp by connecting to WhatsApp web on their PC. Anyone can simply scan a QR code using your WhatsApp and get all the chats on their PC. Thus it is important to ensure nobody has access to your WhatsApp via web login. On your phone, open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Select Link Devices or WhatsApp Web from the menu on WhatsApp. Look for any computers that are active or previously logged in. If you do not recognize any of them, select the computer from the screen. On the next screen, tap Logout to remove access to your WhatsApp through WhatsApp Web. Although they would have already seen your chats, you can prevent them from looking at your WhatsApp messages ever again. You need to be cautious with the WhatsApp Web or Link Devices section on your WhatsApp since it is the most vulnerable and easiest gateway to see all your chats. 4. Verify end-to-end encryption. WhatsApp chats are always end-to-end encrypted. That means any message or text you send to your friend will only be visible to you and your friend. The message will be encrypted into a secret code while sent over the internet. It will be decrypted on the other person's phone and only they can read the messages. That's how all the WhatsApp messages and calls work. So, there is nothing serious to worry about being monitored or watched over WhatsApp. But if you have doubts about a contact, you can manually verify the end-to-encryption security code so that you can be sure that you are sending messages to your friend and no one else is reading them. To verify someone's WhatsApp code, select the contact's chat in WhatsApp on your phone first. Then tap the contact name at the top. From the opened window, tap on Encryption. There you will see your security code with a QR code. To verify it with your friend's security code, open the same screen from your chat on the other person's WhatsApp. Tap on Scan Code on your phone and scan the QR code on their phone. 5. Do not click suspicious links. Everything you see on WhatsApp need not be true and sometimes falls back as dangerous stuff. Hackers might try to snatch your WhatsApp or other personal information through malicious links. If you get any forwarded links on a group or direct links from a strange number, do not open them unless you are sure of their credibility. Such phishing links usually come as some brand offers in plain sight. But deep inside, they will take you into a lookalike of your favorite website where they will try to gather your login information by tricking you. So, don't ever try to open any suspicious links unless you are very sure about them. 6. Do not share OTP with anyone. OTPs or one-time passcodes are the primary way of verifying your phone number all over the internet. This applies when you create or sign into WhatsApp as well. If somebody wants to hack your WhatsApp account, they simply try with your phone number and trick you into giving them your OTP. One thing every company keeps saying but most people won't listen to is do not share OTPs. Many will fall for prey calls where they ask for the OTP code received in the victim's phone. If you ever give up your OTP to someone, you are compromising your WhatsApp account. Plus, if the hacker signs into your WhatsApp account using the OTP you gave them, your phone will be logged out immediately. You don't want to imagine the situation where the person who got your WhatsApp account puts a two-step verification code to it. It will be almost impossible for you to get back your WhatsApp account again. So, before somebody else takes your WhatsApp account and enables the 2FA, you have to do it yourself and protect your WhatsApp account. And remember, nobody legit will ask for a code received on your mobile number. 7. Make sure nobody is spying on your phone. Even though you take all the above measures to protect your WhatsApp from hacking, there is no point unless your phone is secure. If your smartphone is ever compromised of any spying tools, the person behind can still see all your chats, calls, and even call recordings. The privacy should not be a myth and we all have some part to do to keep ours. The above methods will help you find out how well you can protect your WhatsApp from hackers.